Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to see some free courses from NVIDIA. If you want to know what NVIDIA is a computer hardware manufacturing company which has more than like 10,000 employees who is working in this company. You might know, if you have came across many companies, you might know who is NVIDIA. And also now let's see all the courses and also the free courses from NVIDIA. So if you scroll down, you can see all the self-paced courses. So in this you will have accelerated computing, generative AI, LLM, infrastructure, simulation, and physical AI. In accelerated computing, you might see all the courses which is in paid, and also in generative AI and LLM, you can see one free course, that is Agentic AI Explained, for 1 hour, and it is free. And then you can click on this infrastructure. You might know, like, there are no courses right now. And then in simulation and physical AI, you can see there are many free courses. It is for 2 hours and it is free. It is 2 hours, it is free. And you can see even there is a free or like paid courses also. So to see all the free courses, let's click on this free courses. Here you can see the free courses or many of their popular self-paced courses that is offered for free, and these courses have some ratings, good ratings, where this can be completed within a day. And also this is designed for beginners, where it will actually give you a way of starting with new technologies before moving on to the advanced courses. So let's click on show me all free courses. And then here you can see 49 results. It is not all free. If you just click on this again, click on this, you can see only 11 results. This is free courses. So all are self-paced courses, and you can see all the self-paced courses here. So all these are free courses, and there are 11 courses that is for free. Let's check like if they provide certificate for these courses. As we clicked on certificate, we cannot see any certification courses here. So let's click on this and come back to the free courses. And as you seen, like, there are 49 results. It is instructor led and leaving soon. You might be thinking even this is free, but it depends upon the workshops, because these are workshops though, so people might charge it for you. So here you can see the course duration is 8 hours, but you should contact them for pricing. So basically for these workshops, you'll have to pay for it. But for the free courses, let me show that. The 11 results, these all are free. Let's click on this Enroll. You can see the online purchase for self-paced courses are supported for free of the locations in worldwide, and free courses is available for enrollment worldwide. And there will be, if you are unable to do it, they are apologizing for it. Let me just click on Enroll now. You will just need to sign into your account and you can actually claim it. Okay, so you can learn all these things whichever is mentioned here. So there were lots of courses which were mentioned here. I will provide all this link in the description and the first comment that will be pinned, and I will meet in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.